like to hear my story?
Yes.
This story will give us a little inspiration. The title of this story is A Box Full of Kisses. The story goes that some time ago, a man vanished his 3-year-old daughter, raising a roll of gold wrapping paper. Money was tight. He became infuriated, and the child tried to between a box to put under the Christmas tree. Nevertheless, the little girl brought the gift to her father and said, "Oh, Daddy, this is for you, Daddy." The man was embarrassed by his earlier overreaction, but his anger flamed again when he found out the box was empty. He yelled at her, stating, "Don't you know when you give someone a present, there's supposed to be something inside?" The little girl looked at him with tears in her eyes and cried, "Oh, Daddy, it's not empty at all. I took kisses into the box. They're all for you, Daddy." The father was crushed. He put his arms around his little girl and he begged for her forgiveness. Only a short time later, an accident took the life of the child. It is also told that her father hid the gold box in his bed for many years. Whenever he was discouraged, he would take out an imaginary piece and remember the life